Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Microsoft 365 password. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, I'm just going to follow the support article of Microsoft. And all you will be needing to do is to log in to your account of Microsoft and then you will be able to change your password in the security tab or the security menu. And let's do that from here. So after we go to the security, we will be able to find the change my password option. And as you can see on the change your password page, enter your current password and then you can enter a new password. And as you can see for an additional security, you will need uh, to check this optional checkbox which prompts you to update your password every 72 days. So now let's just go to our Microsoft. So I'm just going to my Microsoft account and from there we will find the security page. So basically it will prompt me to log in into my account, and there is also this option of resetting your password in case you forgot it. So if you want to reset your password, as you can see, you will need just to click on forgotten, and basically it will take you how you can verify your identity. So let's just click on forgot, and basically you will need just to enter your email, and you will need just to add the verification methods that you have. So if you have like your email, your recovery email, or the phone number that is attached to your account, you click on next, then next, and you get a code into one of this method that you have chosen, and basically you will add it and you click on get code, you enter the code, reset, and basically you will be able to reset your password. Otherwise, we will just stick with the first option by going to like the security and then change your password, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.